We are going to understand gold loan management system. For this, three things are very important. One, the configuration of the gold loan. Second, the product scheme creation. And third, the configuration of the gold items. So, first of all, we are going to understand the product scheme configuration for gold loan. In master setup, product scheme, I click create scheme, select loan and gold, scheme name, tenure, rate of interest as per your requirement. Then let's say I select the locking period as days 180 days. In calculation logic, I select runtime interest. Runtime interest is selected because based on the number of days, the interest will get calculated automatically. So we are understanding the jumping interest concept here. Loan percent, 75% of the total valuation. First lock duration, let's say 7 days. And here I select actual 360 days. So it will consider 360 days per year. Amount, minimum amount and maximum amount we can decide. Let's say 10,000 to 1 lakh. Penalty, I can configure 2% monthly. And I can configure jumping interest locked till the interest due is not cleared. It means whatever jumping interest we are configuring, if that interest is not paid, that interest, the rate of interest will be locked and it will be applied for further number of days. I just click save. In this scheme, I have to configure now the ledgers. Let's say I want to charge document charges, probably 5%. You can configure as per your requirement. Tax applicability, add GST and other stuff can also be configured here. Let's say CGST 9%, SGST 9%. Then next part is interest configuration for 0 to 30 days. I want to configure 2%. From 31 to 60 days, 2.5. 61 to 90, 3%. And above 91, let's say 4%. So this is the jumping interest configuration. Now I want to configure the gold items. So in master setup, master data, I select gold ornament. I just enter name, let's say pendant. Then chain. So I just configured two items here for gold ornaments. Already two items were configured here. So next part is understanding the configuration. So for configuration, what I have done, I have just prepared some configuration here. Allow to modify gold loan percent, I kept it no. So employee will not allow to modify. Gold rate, we have two options, fetching the gold rate from API, or you can also manually configure the gold rate. Is gold packet number mandatory? I kept it yes. Make ornament entry mandatory for gold loan. I kept it yes. Use gold rate based on carat from master data config. I kept it yes. So whatever carat we configure, then accordingly the gold rate will be decided. So carat will be configured from the rank actually. So for example, here gold rate, if I just set up the gold rate, then I have configured like this. Name 18 carat and the whatever the value and 18%. In fact, this value is not required because just 18%, 22% or 24% is sufficient to decide based on current market rate. I just search customer. One important setting, let me just disable that approval process. Let me make it no for quick creation of the loan. I search customer